Hello everyone, this is Revopoint. In this video, we'll introduce the main creating features functions in Revo Measure and demonstrate their operations. Creating features mainly involves converting a model's geometric elements, such as points, lines, planes, and spheres, into digital features that the software can recognize. These serve as targets or references for subsequent measurements. Since all measurement functions rely on the model's existing features, feature creation is an essential step in the measurement process. Revo Measure currently offers 6 feature types: point, line, circle, plane, sphere, and cylinder. There are also several creation modes available, such as Create from CAD, Fit by selected points, Smart Fit, etc. When a reference CAD model exists, it's generally best to create features from it. Next, we'll demonstrate how to create each feature type and highlight key points to consider during the process. First, let's look at plane feature. It has 3 modes: Create from CAD, Smart Fit, and Fit by selected points. If there is a reference model, it's recommended to select Create from CAD. First, click Comparison, then choose to automatically or manually align the scanned model with the reference model. Then select the plane feature, hover over the CAD model, click the desired planar feature, then click Create. Smart Fit supports tools like Brush Selected and Rectangle. For example, using the Rectangle tool, select the desired area on the plane, and the software will intelligently fit the plane to the selected feature. Click Create to finish. When using the Brush Selected tool, hold the Control key and scroll the mouse to adjust the brush radius. Brush slowly and steadily to keep strokes smooth, which helps achieve better fitting results. For Fit by selected points, double-click to select 3 points on the desired plane. Ensure the points are not collinear and are spaced apart, then click Create. 2. Cylinder feature supports 4 modes: Create from CAD, Smart Fit, Fit by selected points, and Input coordinates. For Create from CAD, use the same steps as creating a plane feature. After aligning the model, select the desired cylinder feature on the CAD model and click Create. For Smart Fit, use the Brush or Rectangle tool to select the cylindrical area to fit, then click Create. For Fit by selected points, first double-click to select 3 points on the base circle, then double-click a 4th point to define the cylinder height, and click Create. To create a cylindrical feature, enter the base center and axis direction using Input coordinates. 3. Sphere feature supports 3 modes: Create from CAD, Smart Fit, and Fit by selected points. To create a sphere feature from CAD, align the model, select the desired sphere on the CAD model, and click Create. When using Smart Fit, use the tool to brush or frame the target area, then click Create. Smart Fit supports fitting full spheres, convex, and concave hemispheres. For Fit by selected points, double-click 4 points on the spherical surface, ensuring they re-spaced apart and not collinear. Then click Create. 4. Circle feature supports 3 modes: Create from CAD, Smart Fit, and Fit by selected points. Create from CAD works the same way as creating plane features. Simply align the model, select the desired circle in the CAD model, and click Create. For Smart Fit of a circle feature, use the Brush tool to select the area around the target. The software will intelligently fit the circle based on the selected data, then click Create. For Fit by selected points, double-click 3 points at the target location, then click Create to generate the feature. 5. To create a point feature, use Fit by selected points, then double-click a location and create the point, or Input coordinates directly. To obtain a circle or sphere center from the model, use Auxiliary Object, select an existing circle or sphere feature on the model, then click Create. 6. Line feature. Use fit by selected points by double-clicking 2 points at the target location to define a line, then click Create. Or input the origin coordinates and direction to create it directly. Or use auxiliary object. For example, you could use circle to circle to select 2 auxiliary circle features, then click Create to generate a line through their centers. Another example, click Cylinder. Select the desired auxiliary cylinder feature, then click Create, and the cylinder's axis will be generated as a line. In this video, we focused on demonstrating Revo Measure's feature creation capabilities. Upcoming tutorials will cover more advanced functions in detail. Stay tuned for updates to the software guide. See you in the next video.